It's quite clear that there is actually a glass ceiling within the culinary industry. If you look at the number of people, like myself for instance, who are from an ethnic minority background, we're overrepresented in terms of being behind the scenes. When you look at things like the people who become the executive chefs, people who become the owners, the directors and all the rest of it, we're very, very underrepresented. Well, to make sure that we're reaching people who may be underrepresented, we make sure that all the roles are not necessarily experience-based. If anything, the forefront of what we're looking for is attitude. At the moment, our current warehouse, we've actually made it wheelchair friendly. So what we also tried to do is I made sure that every single member of staff here is autism aware. So effectively, I've been hiring for who is the best to do the job and not necessarily who has any sort of barriers, for instance. I think it's very important that something is done about the glass ceiling that currently exists. We need to have very open and free hiring processes. There's a lot of talent within the UK which seems to go missed at the moment. It'd be nice to see them get some recognition, really.